let me show you how to integrate Jotform Workflows with ActiveCampaign. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate Jotform Workflows with ActiveCampaign. That way you can send your contact details to ActiveCampaign automatically when a certain stage of the workflow is hit. So let me go ahead and show you right now. So let's go over to one of our workflows. And in this case, I'm going to use this one for testing purposes. And we are going to integrate with ActiveCampaign really easily. So this is a workflow and we want to send details at a certain stage. Maybe when the first form is filled out, or maybe when the second form is filled out for the expense reimbursement. So we can set at what stage we want to send over the details to. So let's go into integrations, search for ActiveCampaign. It's right here. Let's drag it inside of here. And for testing purposes, I'm going to set it up almost at the beginning because I want to show you how easy it is to integrate. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect it. Let's go ahead and continue the flow. And now let's continue with the integration. So let's complete the settings here. And the options that we have for the action is create a new contact, create an account, or create a deal. In this case, I'm going to create a contact with this purpose. Okay, now we need to enter the base URL. So let's go into ActiveCampaign. We're going to jump into settings. We're going to go into developer option here and we're going to copy the URL. We're going to add it over here and we need the API key, which is this one right here. So let's go ahead and copy the API key. Let's paste it in here and let's authenticate. Here we go. We are now authenticated and it has the details from ActiveCampaign. So now we can select a list from ActiveCampaign, which I've done so right now. And then we need to match the fields that are going to be sent over to ActiveCampaign. So email is going to be done with the email, the first name with the first name from the form that's filled out, and the last name, for example, in this case, with the last name. And again, we can continue with the other fields over here that are available for us to tie with ActiveCampaign. Then we have the option to select tags. So in this case, I don't have tags available on ActiveCampaign, but if I did, I can view them listed right here and I can select them. Then I have the option to select an automation. Again, if that's set up on ActiveCampaign, it can kick off the automation straight from here. Then we have the option to add form fields to node. So maybe we want to add that and we can set the node title here and select from the fields. For example, I'm going to set the appointment for this purpose. Let's go ahead and save this and we are now integrated. Let's go ahead and test this out right now to create a new contact in ActiveCampaign. So let's go ahead and start and run this. Let's fill this out with demo data. And while that is filling out, let's go back into ActiveCampaign. Let's go back into our contacts because it's going to be added once we test this out. Okay, so it's now finishing adding the details here for the demo form. Here we go. Let's go ahead and submit. And it's going to continue in the workflow. Now it's going to ask us to approve or deny. And if we approve, it's going to send those details to ActiveCampaign. And if it's denied, it's not going to send it. Okay, so we're going to approve. Let's do a test signature. Let's go ahead and submit. And it's going to go through the process of sending details to ActiveCampaign. Here it is. It is now sent over and the workflow continues. Let's go into ActiveCampaign now. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Here we go. And now we have the contact right here. Lila Hughes is now added into ActiveCampaign when it was approved. So it's a great use case here on the workflow that at a certain stage of the workflow, we can kick off the ActiveCampaign to send over the contacts or create a deal. So you can see how easy it is to integrate Jotform Workflows with ActiveCampaign. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the integration and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.